Gone are the days of George Washington and his supposed wooden dentures. Today, your dental health may be one of the biggest investments you make. Veneers, crowns, dental bonding, even implants of fake teeth can cost thousands of dollars. One of the technologies that makes your dazzling smile possible is 3D printing. Scientists in our Center for Analytical and Exposure Science have made some breakthroughs in that area. 3D printing is a game changer for the dental industry. But 3D printing comes with inherent health hazards, the release of particles and volatile organic compounds that can be toxic. We've studied and come up with guidelines for the best way to ventilate and make plastic 3D printers safer. But no one has done that for resin 3D printers, which is what dentists use. We're changing that. We know resin 3D printers, like the types used in dentistry, use resins comprised of chemicals that can lead to developmental toxicity, and we're concerned about the effects on the people operating the 3D printers. Basically, the safety science hasn't kept up with this type of 3D printing. We want to ensure that safety science keeps up with the pace of technology. By the way, George Washington's wooden dentures really weren't wooden. According to historians, they were made with several different materials, including ivory, lead, and gold, but no wood.